Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to explore new cycling routes Strava browser. So first thing that you will do is go to strava.com and just simply log in into your account by just simply clicking over here and just simply log in using Google, Apple, or Facebook, or manually log in. Now guys, once you are signed in, just simply click on maps over here on the top. And now from here, you should be able to see the overview of the map. So guys, the first thing that you will do is just simply go to the all sport over here and just simply make sure to go for ride. So this is all cycling. And after that, you can just simply make sure to turn on the global map. So as you can see, you should be able to see here the blue ones, which is most people do a cycling. And I also recommend filtering out the segment over here. So you will have here multiple options. You can choose the length, you can choose the surface type, the elevation as well. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And just simply click on done. And from here, guys, as you can see, you will have here multiple options and you can pretty much explore a certain route. And as you can see, most of them have a name already, and you should be able to explore some cycling routes over here. And this is where all of the people did their ride and recorded in Strava. And now if you click on a specific route, as you can see, it will highlight. And when you click on the route name, as you can see, you should be able to view the segment and you should be able to see all of the people who did this route. And you can just simply click on view segment and you will have a more detailed options. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.